Hi everybody, it's Joey Perfito with Paradigm Anthem, and we are at Cedia 2019. We're going to show you a couple new products that have come out or are about to come out. First one is the MILLENIA LP Trio. This is a 3-channel passive LCR soundbar. It is a fixed soundbar at 45 inches width. It has the performance of the decor and the look of the MILLENIA LP series. So for your customers who don't want to spend $3,000 on an LCR underneath the TV, this is a great product for just $1,000. All right, and this product here is the MDX 16, or our first distribution matrix amplifier. There's actually 2 models in the series. This is an 8-channel. We do have a 4-channel as well, but just to focus on the 8-channel real quick, it's the 8-zone. We have 8 analog inputs for digital inputs with 8 outputs, 8 zones. What's really unique about this product is we have anthem room correction per zone, subwoofer out per zone, and if you're doing Paradigm speakers, we have this Paradigm speaker profiles built in, so we can allow those speakers to perform at their best. 60 watts a channel. You can bridge, mono bridge or stereo bridge. We also have a web interface for easy setup. And what's also neat for installers, you can save your settings. If something happens to the unit, you can go back and replace it and load up the new settings without having to do anything else. It's a really cool feature for this product. This one retails for $3,000. And the smaller unit with 4 zones retails for $2,000. Wanted to just point out the web interface real quick. The web interface allows us to do a bunch of things. Zones, we can bridge and mono zones here. We can enable anthem room correction. We also have, here's our speaker profile here. You just choose which speakers in that zone. We have trim levels and also subwoofer. You can update. Okay. We can also adjust the subwoofer settings as well. Now, if you're going to run anthem room correction, it'll do it for you, but that's a great option to have there. Thing about the web interface and the MDX is that we do have control drivers for all the major control systems, so those are easy to set up and allow you to make adjustments to the system on the fly. At Cedia, we wanted to show off some of our better speakers. So today, or this week, we're showing off the Pro and Elite Series speakers. These speakers are built in Canada from the ground up. One of the things that's very specific to Pro and Elite, not the home or the contractor, is the Art Surround. If you see this corrugated surround, that means it is built in Canada. We don't want to give China our technology. But what Art Surround does for us is it allows the driver to extend further, removing more air. We can get up to 3 dB more output on the lower frequencies. So basically that's like doubling the output. Makes it sound like you got two bass drivers instead of 1. But what also it does is that corrugated surround makes that excursion more linear. When you have a linear excursion, you have less distortion. So we're able to reduce distortion by 50%. So it's a really important technology and something you should always be telling your customers about.
Okay.
When we're looking at speakers, whether it's in-wall speakers or floor model speakers, we always are trying to reduce distortion and smooth mid-range. Vocals are very important in movies and music. So there's a couple of features on the CI products that I want to point out. Number one is this PPA lens is what we call it, or perforated phase align lens. What it does is it smooths out the mid-range, so clear vocals. It also helps out for dispersion as well. Dispersion, of course, is very important on in-ceiling speakers. One of the reasons why we don't need to use a pivoting tweeter. The second part of it is what we call the red reduced edge diffraction. Basically what we're trying to do is get rid of standing waves. So in order for us to do that, we have to take the tweeter and offset it just a little bit so that each point of this piece here, of the flower, isn't equidistant to the edge of the driver on any other point on that tweeter. That again reduces distortion. So when you look at the Paradigm speakers, whether it's the Canadian-built speakers or the overseas speakers, we're designing, we're engineering. It's all based in science. It's not based on marketing. So this is all stuff that you can tell your customers why they need better speakers for their whole house audio. Last year we introduced a very important category for Paradigm. It's called Decor, our custom-made sound bars. We're very flexible with what we can build, and it's all built in-house. So it's extruded aluminum. We cut it to the size, and we drop our drivers into it. We have a website where you will go in, you choose the TV, you choose the type of speaker you want or the type of configuration. Here we have a left and right speaker, but we can do a left, center, right underneath. We can do a left, center, right. We can do a left, right on either side, or we can do a left, right with a sum in the middle. So there's a lot of different options you can give your customer. One of the things that we do in-house is the custom cut, or what we call contour. This is an upcharge, but when you put it when you go into our website to order this, if you choose the right TV, it'll automatically choose the contour for you. So we do pretty much everything. We try to make it as easy as possible to order these products. There's a really great margin on there for you. Retail prices from $1,500 to $3,500. So of course it sounds great. It's a Paradigm product.